Hello everyone, how are you? It's Michael with the World of Michael Trent, and today I want to share with you, a few days late, but I want to share with you this Harry Potter themed album that I just made as part of the first challenge in the Your Book of Memories community. I will have more information at the end of this video about the Your Book of Memories community, and I will have a discount code for them and also a discount code for the papers I used to make this album. So stick around till the end. So I'm part of this community. Frances Long runs Your Book of Memories. She is a teacher of mini albums and scrapbooks and other fun things on her page. There will be a link below, don't worry about that. And I had kind of lost my mojo recently, so I said to her, hey, Frances, sorry, way too much coffee today. Why don't we do a little challenge in the group? So we decided to do a challenge. It started the second week of October, and the challenge ended on Halloween, October 31st. And the challenge was to use the Ho Ho Hello mini album class tutorial, but the theme of your album could be whatever you wanted. I needed to make a Harry Potter themed album for someone in town. I actually made 2 albums with the same Harry Potter papers, but different books. And the other one will be in a separate video. And I used the Ho Ho Hello mini album tutorial, and I used these amazing papers from Paper House Production. Let me quickly show you the papers. So there are 8 papers in this collection. I believe you can buy the papers as a collection, and you can also buy them individually. So that's kind of cool. This is the first paper. This has all of the spell names from Harry Potter. And on this side are symbols with the name of the spell. I don't know what language this is. It must be wizard language. This one is the Marauders Map. And on this side are the footprints from the Marauders Map, which I thought was kind of cool. This sheet is the 4 crests for the houses. So you have Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff, the 4 different house crests. And on this side is just a nice striped sheet. And I have to tell you, I love striped sheets when I'm making an album, because I don't think I did it in this album. I may have done it in the other one. It's really cool to cut a slit here, or more than one, and have a spot to slip photo mats in, or a photo booklet, or something like that. So I really love when a collection has stripes. This one is the newspaper, which I think this is just a great sheet. You can use part of it for the front of a photo mat, or even a card. If you want to make someone a card, you have undesirable number 1, dark mark causes panic, and our favorite witch over here. They even have wand servicing in case you're looking to have your wand serviced. You take that in any way you want to. And on this side is a symbol of something. Maybe dark magic, I don't know. If you know what this symbol is, leave a comment below. I'd love to know. This sheet has just a couple of graphics. Oh my God, I forgot the name of this horse bird that I think Hagrid was watching in his hut. Harry Potter, his eyeglasses, the snake from Slytherin. So that's kind of cool. And on this side, we have all of these different size journaling cards. And I really love how Paper House Productions made different sizes here. So this is about a 4x6. You have these, I believe, are perfect for a 4x4, like an Instagram photo. So a photo on an Instagram can go on the other side of this. You have, I believe, these are 2x2s. And then you have these other sizes, which I think are really nice. Normally, a scrapbook collection will have 3x4s or 4x6s. This is a nice mix. Here is another page with more journaling cards, and you have some strips here that could be used. Another 4x6. These look like 3x4s here and here. So another, and there's a big difference. This is much more colorful. This is much more darker colors. So these are really nice papers. And on this side, we have the owl bringing the mail, the Gryffindor shield, his glasses, envelopes. Here is just the different symbols, I believe, to the houses. And this is the best page here. I mean, this to me is the cover of your album right here. And then this could be used in a different part of the book. I used this, I didn't use this, I believe. And here we have the glasses and the mark on his forehead. And on this side, we have a black and white of Harry Potter and the witch's hat and the wand and the glasses and the owls. I mean, everything. Even the, come on, Michael. This is like my favorite book. And I'm going blank. So those are the papers that I used in the book. Let me take you through the book quickly. So on the cover, I used the school. On the side was the black and white Harry Potter paper, and on the back I used the newspaper papers. And I did do my double layered album cover. I have it with a ribbon closure here, which is perfect if you have a ribbon closure. Using the double layered here is a great way to keep the ribbon secure and straight and flat. I do have a video on this. I will leave a link below or up here if I can figure out how to do that. Opening up the album, there are 4 pages here. So in the front we have a little pocket. I did 2 photo mats here for 4x6 photos. Here is an Instagram size photo. These are sized in centimeters because here in Brazil we don't use inches for our photos, so the sizes are a little bit different. I also, if you watch Frances's walkthrough of the albums that she made, which is the first video in the, I'll leave a link below. You can see how she made her album. You don't have to follow her tutorial the way she made it. So, for example, in her album, she uses a lot more. Her album is 4x6 and 5x7. I only have spaces here for 8 5x7 photos. So she has a much wider flap here, and I changed it to work with the size of photo that we have here. So I did do some changes. So this is a flap here, and this is in front of every page. And what's good is you can keep the flap like this, or you can have the flap like this if you want to keep it secure. But in this case, I have 2 photos here, and then this is the front of this flap for 2 more 4x6 photos. We have a big pocket here, and on the inside of this pocket, I have 2 4x6, 10 by 15 photos. But there's plenty of room in this pocket if she wants to add more photos or memories from the trip. I also have 4 pullouts here. So the pullouts of each pocket house a 5x7, one vertical, one horizontal. So that's where the 8 5x7 photos come in. Here again is and she could put more photos here if she wants to. Here's another 2 photos. This flips open. Here, there's another pocket here, but in this case I did one photo mat, and here I did a photo book. So you open this up and there's space for 2 more photos here. This album has room for the way I made it. I think 40 photos. Let me check my notes here. 40 photos, 30 4x6, 8 5x7, and then 2 Instagram-sized photos. But there's plenty of room in each of these pockets that more photos can be added. Here's another pull-out here. Again, no photos here, but she can certainly cut them down and glue them down. Another flap here, 2 more photos, 2 photos, and here we have the 2 photo mats. Another pull-out. And then on the last page, this paper here, 2 photos, and I did another booklet here and a photo mat here. Flipping this over, we have another pull-out. And then on the back, we have another pocket, 2 more photos, and an Instagram 10x10 or a 4-inch by 4-inch size photo. This is a big book, I will admit, but I love it. I love this paper. I love this book. So if you are not how do I explain this? If you love to make mini albums, or you are curious about making an album, come join us on the Your Book of Memories community, okay? The link for Your Book of Memories is below. It's yourbookofmemories.art. You need to register on the site. You can be part of the community without being a member. So the way Your Book of Memory works is for a monthly membership rate, and I think today is what? Today's Day of the Dead. Saturday, November 2nd, 2024, and I believe as of today, the monthly rate is $20 US per month. You have access to all of Frances's classes. There are over 80 classes. She's really good, really good about uploading classes pretty frequently. She also has several podcasts, and challenges are going on in the community. You can share the projects you're making. You can ask questions. It is a really nice bunch of paper artists that love mini albums and photo folios. There's a lot going on there. So you can save 25% on your first month with the code that is in the description box below. And for the papers, if you go to paperhouseproductions.com, at checkout, use the code Deborah22 and you will save 15% off of the papers. That's a pretty good deal. Now, I will be honest here. Deborah is a friend of mine who is on the design team for Paper House Productions. I was able to share her code with the world. So go show Paper House some love. They have some really great papers and stickers and planners and calendars, and it's a great site. I don't know how long this code will be active, so if you want to use the code, go jump on it as soon as possible. Anyway, links to everything will be below. Shout out to Frances for having an amazing community and for allowing me to do this. What did I call it? Something about my missing my mojo or trying to get my mojo back challenge, something. But anyway, it worked because I made this great book. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you liked it. Hit that thumbs up so you're notified the next time I have a video coming up. I will have another video with the same paper house Harry Potter papers. It's an album of my design. And I thank you so much for stopping by. I'd love to know what you think of this. Leave a comment below. And until next time, hugs from Brazil. Take care, everyone.